you. Yeah, you. Come on in. I'm about to do a walkthrough of this gem of a house. Come join us. Hi, welcome to Newcroft Circle in Boston. It's a great single family home built in 1945. Originally, it was built as a two-family, and many of the houses in this neighborhood are still two families, but this was converted to a single family, so it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, very well maintained, great features including a wood-burning stove. Thanks for taking a look with us. If you have any questions, reach out, and we hope to see you at the open house.